So the point is therefore that you may do the entirety you need to do in this spirit. Do not make a difference among paintings and play. Regard the entirety which you're doing as play, and don't consider for 1 minute which you were given to be extreme about it. We stay in a global wherein nearly everyone believes quite genuinely that something is wrong with them, that they have to be extra, this or less, that smarter, kinder, more disciplined, greater, enlightened, less hectic, less irritated, less human, and so that they go chasing ad infin item after a few future model of themselves, constantly just across the bend, in which they ultimately get it all proper. But I would like to signify something a bit scandalous, that there may be truly not anything incorrect with you in any respect. Your very being, this moment, this breath, this strange and sacred experience of I am, is already perfect, no longer perfect in the ethical feel, not tidy, polished, or nicely behaved, but ideal, the way a flame dances, or a tree bends within the wind, or a galaxy spins. You see, you're not something aside from nature, gazing it from a distance. You are nature, just as a great deal as the stars, the ocean, and the clouds. Patterns of your mind, your laughter, your sorrow, they're every bit as natural as the ripples in water or the sound of thunder. And you don't need to do an issue to earn your area right here, because the reality is you are all already a wonderful phenomenon of the universe. You are similar to that, and that is enough music, one of the most first-rate realizations, and it is no longer mystical or spiritual, but truly authentic, is that this: you failed to come into this international, you got here out of it, just as an apple tree apples the universe peoples, and you're one of those people. You are no longer a stranger wandering through a overseas land. You're this location, its eyes, its thoughts, its wanderings, approximately itself now. Most folks have been introduced as much as sense, separate, as though we are tiny egos, trapped inside these bags of skin, searching out at a world that's over there, complete of items and others. But it truly is a trick of notion, an illusion of language and labeling. In fact, there is no line in which you forestall, and the world begins. You're continuous with it, like a wave is with the sea. Take a look at a flame. Does it have a boundary, a fixed form? It's a procedure, a taking place, a flow, and so are you. You aren't a static thing. You're a verb disguised as a noun, a world of attention, feelings, reminiscences, all shimmering like light on water. Whilst you were born, the universe did not make a mistake. It wasn't trying to test you, repair you, or mold you into some thing better. It turned into expressing itself as you, and what an unusual, pleasant, and complex expression. You are not anyone else, has your exact rhythm, your precise voice, your specific sample of laughter and silence that isn't random, that's lay out in the deepest, maximum spontaneous experience. Here's in which the confusion sets in from a young age. We were taught to override that naturalness, to comply, to behave, to obtain, to emerge as a person. And in doing so, we began to believe the best lie of all, that we're come what may no longer enough, that we have to become, as opposed to without a doubt be. However, inform me, have you ever seen a flower straining to bloom? Have you ever visible a tree hurrying to develop? They just do it. They spread, due to the fact there that unfolding you too are unfolding you too, are nature playing itself out. You are not a problem to be solved. You are not a task to be completed. You are an event of the cosmos, as impressive as the stars, and just as inevitable. So appearance again, no longer with your eyes, however, together with your being, and possibly, just perhaps, you will start to recognize the miracle you have continually been now. I know while someone says there is not anything wrong with you, the conditioned thoughts resists. You would possibly suppose, however, what about my beyond, my failures, my guilt, my conduct, my disgrace? But all of that too is part of the play, a part of the method. You notice from the very starting we are past a story, that being alive is a check which you're here to prove something to God, to society, on your mother and father, to yourself. And so we become actors in a theater of self-development, constantly solving, adjusting, striving, as though life were a ladder to climb instead of a mystery to bop. But what if that entire venture changed into, constructed on a false premise? The meaning of existence is just to be alive. It is so plain and so apparent and so simple, and but all people rushes round in a notable panic, as though it had been important to acquire something beyond themselves. So allows, do this near your eyes for a moment, and experience the sensation of being the aliveness. This is gift before any opinion or judgment arises. That is, you no longer the inner critic, not the timeline, not the to-do listing, simply the uncooked open presence of being here. And what could possibly be wrong with that? Examine the clouds. They don't align themselves neatly into roads. They float, they swirl, they shape and dissolve. Is there something wrong with them? No one scolds a wave for crashing too early or a tree for developing crooked. They are not judged by means of some cosmic scoreboard. But we human beings by some means consider we are the exception, that we by myself should justify our existence, that we have to earn the proper to be, and that is the root of our struggling. The unique illusion, the fact is your imperfections aren't mistakes, they are textures, info, echoes of your unique track. You don't want to emerge as worth of existence, your lifestyle's music expressing itself in human form. Just like fire flickers, just like water flows, even your try to become religious, even your choice to improve yourself, is already part of the perfection. It is like the sea, trying to emerge as wet, or a sunbeam looking to shine. It's needless, and yet even that is allowed, so as opposed to chasing some polished concept of who you should be, what in case you honestly notice who you already are right now, without changing something, without editing, without attempt. There may be nothing wrong with you, there never become. It is most effective, the idea that asserts so. And you are not that notion, you are the silence behind it, the spaciousness that watches it come and move. And after you see this no longer as a notion, but as an immediate enjoy, something inner relaxes, and in that space, in that letting pass, you begin to consider something historical and actual. You are nature, wild, great, unfinished, and beautiful. And you are much like that. You see, when I say you don't need to do something, I don't mean you have to sit none the less like a lump of stone. No, no, I imply something far subtler. I suggest you don't need to pressure to be what you already are. You don't push the river, you flow with it, because the river is doing the flowing, not you. And within the same manner, existence is living itself through you. Birds don't sing to impress, they sing due to the fact it's miles their nature. You don't ought to pressure, which means or chase reason. It emerges like a breeze, like a laugh, like a melody, while you prevent seeking to manufacture it easy motion, because the Taoist say woo now, not laziness now, not apathy, however, the art of transferring with the contemporary in place of in opposition to it. And while you discover that rhythm, the one in which you're no longer doing lifestyles, but being it, then the dance starts off evolved. Now right here's a weird little paradox. Maximum people spend our lives trying to be ourselves, but the moment you attempt, the instant you attain for authenticity, like a product on a shelf, you've got already misplaced it. Because the self is not something you could hold close, it is something you loosen up into seeking to be. Spontaneous is like looking to doze off on motive. The very effort prevents the taking place. We're so busy asking, am I doing it right? Am I healed yet? Am I actual now? That we pass over the very aspect we're looking for. It is like chasing your personal shadow around the room. Now, of course, there's not anything incorrect with the chase. It's cute in a manner, the ego trying to polish itself like a stone ad infin. Item sanding, refining, spiritualizing. However, subsequently you start to snicker due to the fact you understand the only doing all the solving is the very component that does not want to exist. It's all a bit of cosmic theater. You don't want to become yourself. You already are right here, for your quirks, your flaws, your silence, your breath. Authenticity isn't something you attempt to reap, it's what's left while you forestall pretending, and that is freedom. Now, if we really want to go a touch deeper, we ought to observe something very unusual. You failed to invent the photograph you've got of yourself. It changed into surpassed to you. Built layer by means of layer, constructed out of glances, remarks, expectancies, like a reflect product of different people's mind. From the moment you were vintage enough to speak, you have been told who you are, what's desirable, what is not, what earns love, and what doesn't, and so, without even knowing it, you started out to form yourself consistent with the reflections round you. You have become a set of borrowed thoughts, a patchwork persona stitched together from parents, teachers, religions, after which someday, maybe to your 20s, maybe a good deal later, you start to experience war. Now, not bodily, however, existentially, as though you've been wearing someone else's clothes for so long you forgot how your own pores and skin feels. It truly is the moment, that little flicker of insurrection, that sense that the man or woman you've been acting as isn't always the only who's truly alive in there. Most dangerous aspect you may do is accept as true with your personal function. Due to the fact the function is quality, it is beneficial even. However, it's now not you, you're what's playing the function. You are the actor, not the masks, but society teaches you to mistake the costume for the being you grow to be the good female, the sturdy guy, the productive person, and overlook which you're additionally a hurricane, a poem, a mystery, and so, whilst humans say be yourself, what they regularly suggest is be the model of yourself we just like the most, but this is no longer freedom, it's nevertheless a performance. The actual challenge is to look via the performance, now not to break it. You don't need to rebellion with clenched fists, but to understand that it's only a dress, and while you see it as such you could eventually take it off or wear it playfully like a child in a mask, due to the fact the only under it truly is the actual you, the only who would not want to be superb, who isn't always worried about being preferred, who does not need to be proper or enlightened or sufficient, that one, the silent observing respiratory aliveness at the back of all of the stories become never damaged, and by no means wished solving, it best needed remembering. So then what is left, if you are not the voice on your head, no longer the jobs you've been assigned, now not the identity you've spent years defending, what stays silence the distance wherein all minds stand up and fade the stillness in the back of the motion, music, you spot awakening, is not a rely of adding something, it is no longer about accumulating non-secular advantage badges, or perfecting your character, it is a depend of subtraction, of unlearning, like a muddy pond clearing. When the stirring stops, you do not want to do something for readability. You surely allow the mud to settle, but the majority are frightened of that silence, because in silence the ego cannot talk, and without noise it begins to disappear. Yet it's wherein your actual nature is hiding, not in the warfare, but inside the give up. The self, the proper self, isn't always observed with the aid of wondering more, however, by using questioning, less by means of looking inward, no longer with judgment, however with wonder, and in that mild noticing you begin to feel it, a quiet hum behind your chest, a spaciousness in which the need to become finally dissolves, and what's left is being pure gift, unconditional, just like that. So then how does one stay like this without all of the greedy, the solving, the sharpening, properly just like the sky does not keep directly to the clouds, it would not chase the sun or argue with the hurricane, it simply shall we things skip through. And you, if you prevent clinging so tightly to your tail, can live like that too. No need to constantly edit yourself, no want to be higher all of time, because when you recognize you're the sky, and now not the passing, whether everything will become a bit, you begin to agree with lifestyles greater now, not because you figured it all out, however, because you no longer agree with you need to. There may be a rhythm to things, a timing, that does not belong to the clock, however, to the heart, and whilst you stop pushing so difficult you can surely listen it, and that is the irony, is not it? While you prevent attempting so tough to stay the proper manner, you start dwelling the actual manner, more wonder, less manipulate, greater play, less proving, because bushes don't attempt to be timber and waves, don't try and crash effectively, they just are, and so are you. So let yourself be lived, let existence occur through you without interference, because you're much like that, and this is more than sufficient. And so we return to the beginning, to that atypical and outstanding assertion, there is not anything wrong with you in any respect, now not as a comforting sentiment, but as a thorough liberating fact. You are not something broken that wishes to be repaired, you aren't a few religious undertaking ready to be finished, you are on this very moment an unfolding mystery, a ripple in eternity, a quick track inside the notable silence. And if you may see yourself within the right manner, no longer through the eyes of judgment or self doubt, however, as a phenomenon of nature like fire or clouds or galaxies, then you'll see you have been in no way separate. You have been by no means an excessive amount of you, were by no means no longer sufficient. You have been much like that, no longer perfect, but whole now, not faultless, however entire. And all this is left is to don't forget to drop the pretense, to respire in and definitely be, because once you stop chasing after some future version of yourself, you'll understand you have been domestic all alongside, now not inside the international's concept of achievement, now not in a person else's approval, however, on your personal quiet presence inside the easy sacred fact that you exist, and that is pretty sufficient.